Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Insanity Carnival. I'm out in the shop today. I got the fire going. It's about -3. We got to change the chain case oil in this GSX 600. Getting ready for snowmobile season. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get into it. All right, I got it opened up here. Here's the chain case here. Here's the dipstick. Hopefully you can see that how silver it is. Usually when it's silver, it means it's time to be changed. It's got some metal shavings in it. I've removed the battery just because I want to charge it, get it ready, but you don't need to in order to do this. We're going to get at the drain plug, which is underneath here, so let's do that now. Okay, the drain plug's underneath. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's a 3/16 Allen key, and there's the little drain bolt there, so we're going to undo that, drain out all the old stuff. Now that I got the oil all drained out, what I do is I run about 200 milliliters of oil through it with the plug out, just to clean out any gunk that's left in there. Now that you can see the clear oil coming out, ready to reinstall the drain plug. There's all kinds of debate online about what oil to use in your chain case. As long as it's synthetic gear oil, I think it's just fine. Automatic transmission fluid, any oil really would work. I'm using some synthetic gear oil 75W90, 250 milliliters. I'm gonna top that up right now. Stuff is thick. Last step is check the oil, make sure, dipstick in, pull her out, make sure she's between the lines. Alright guys, that's pretty much how you change the chain case oil in a snowmobile. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Drain it, refill it, you're good to go. If you thought this video was helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and thanks for joining the Insanity Carnival.